Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm taking part in the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul over at Heidi Sonboul DIY. I'll link her channel and the playlist in the description box below. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Now without further ado, let's get started.
For my first DIY, I'm reusing this frame. I took apart everything and I replaced the backing paper. For this month's theme, it was either Halloween or Thanksgiving, and Halloween is a big no-no for me. Why would you spend an entire day celebrating something you did not believe in? Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments down below. This is a pretty wrapping paper that I chose as a backdrop. I placed the backing on the wrapping paper, measured it and cut it out. Since I also like the previous backing, I did not stick this permanently. As you can see, I used some masking tape which will not cause damage to the paper underneath. And then I put it back. And now that our base is ready, moving on, I typed out this quote. I still remember the days I prayed for the things I have now. #thankful. On my phone, in notes, and printed it out. I'm using a little bit of tape at the back and sticking it to the paper. I also tore the edges to give it a different look. Next, using some poster colors. This is in gold. I'm painting the entire paper. This was really pretty gold. I first thought I'll just do the edges, but then I just painted the entire thing. And this is how it looked. Moving on to the next one, I had this pretty frame and I used some A4 paper and cut it out. I actually did not use the Fevicol to stick it, I just inserted it in the gap. And then I took some burnt sienna brown paint. These are also poster colors. And I really watered it down so that the white wouldn't look too stark against the brown border. I then let it dry, and since the brush already had the gold paint on it, it had a glitter effect too. Next, using this metallic paint pen, I wrote down, "Dear God, thank you for everything." This year has really been a year of many blessings, special blessings, and many answered prayers. And this was a good reminder of God's faithfulness to us. Let me know one thing that you're thankful for in the comments down below, and let us share our gratitude to our Maker above. As the song goes, count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, and it will surprise you what the Lord has done. Let us count our blessings and share it so that others may also be blessed through it. And these are how my DIYs looked, displayed in the display shelf. I really like the simple but powerful meaning that they carry. Let me know your thoughts in the description box below. Thank you for all your love and support, and thank you for watching this video. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye, smile, Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Do check out all the other videos in the playlist below. Bye-bye.